welcome to my channel. Today in this video we have a product by TOOVREN. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. I'm not really too sure, but this is an iPhone 11 case. This is the 2019 edition, 6.1 inch. So we're gonna get into it right now. I did a previous video of this already, but I decided to make another one because we do have a new microphone. This is the Blue Yeti microphone. We're just testing it out in an official video. But here's the product. Hopefully it is in frame. I'm pretty sure it is. Right now I'm sitting down, so I'm just trying something perfectly new. If it is not in frame, then I'm sorry. But this is TOOVREN. This is a pretty nice box, very plain. You have a little opening right here. A little bit hard to open. But this retails for less than $20 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description like always. But here it is. Comes with a little lanyard slash neck band, or like a necklace thing. Not too sure what it's called. But you strap this around your neck and then you just put it on the bottom right here. So it's very tangled right now, but yeah, you get the gist. So here's what it looks like. It looks pretty cool. You have a nice velvet material, like a suede, as you can see. But it looks really cool. You have a hard TPU case, pretty good corner protection. Right here where the wallet goes, this part right here can act when you clip this part in right here. If I can clip it in, hold on. Okay, I don't know how to clip it in. I don't want to break it. It's kind of hard to do it without gloves, but you basically... Oh wait, I know why. Okay. Well, yeah, you get the point. It basically just sits there. You're able to hold your phone like this, and it's pretty cool. It also doubles as a kickstand, so that's pretty cool as well. Making sure this is in the frame. Yep, it is. Okay. So that's pretty cool. You have like a little leather material. I'm not sure if it's fake or if it's real leather, but it looks really cool. Smells like real leather, but it might be fake. It's a really high quality product though. For less than 20 bucks, you'd think this is probably at least a $40 case. With the inside material, it's nice and soft, so you won't get your glass back scratched. It's a hard case. Just overall looks really nice. Perfect cutouts right here, as well as the bottom. You have resivity on the camera lens as well as the screen, which is pretty cool. And yeah, just overall pretty good case. Let's go and put this to the side real quick. Pretty much all I have to say about this case. Pretty cool. You can put cards in here and stuff. It has an elastic little band right here, so you can put in a lot of cases. It's pretty strong actually. Like I'm applying pretty good force to it, so that's pretty good that it's strong in case like you're about to drop it or something. Pretty strong case. Yeah, pretty strong case. This will last you at least 20-15 minutes at least. It's pretty good. So hope you guys did enjoy this video. Link in the description to buy this case is obviously in the link's description. I'll be giving away this case, and you guys could probably win it. I'm not sure what I want to do with it, but I have a ton of cases already, so I really have no purpose of having this case. Anyways, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and of course to subscribe. It only takes 5 seconds to do so, and it helps out my channel a lot. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.